I hope you folks realize this stuff's rigged.
Well, here it is. Dusty Baker, Mike texted me this. Thanks to him, Pereira got a college education. He committed to Santa Clara out of Del Campo High School in Sacramento. He got drafted, Dusty, by Atlanta.
The storyline.
Instead of going to Santa Clara, that opened up a scholarship, and Mike Pereira took that scholarship and played baseball. Here's a little roller up the first baseline foul. And Pereira said he's never met Dusty and never had a chance to thank Dusty Baker for forgoing that opportunity, which opened up the spot for a friend.
These people are such Luciferians, man. I don't see how you can idolize these folks. I mean, I had to wake up from it. I collected sports cards since 1974. Boxes and boxes of sports cards. I know all the stats. I know everything about this game. And I know bullshit when I see it. This guy's wearing pearls around his neck. When the hell have you ever seen a baseball player wearing pearls around his neck? It's like I said, I've been watching this shit since '74. This is rigged. It's all competitive. I mean, they're running the two sports in together. They're talking about the NFL and Major League Baseball, besides this banner right here. But this is the World Series, man. I've seen many, many World Series in my life. And it's gotten worse and worse. I mean, the Astros literally cheated in the World Series. They know they were doing the tipping of the pitches and all that. Stealing the shit with technology. And no one forgot about that because of the coronavirus or whatever. Dude, they're cheaters. They got a shitty team, Atlanta, without... I mean, they're not shitty. I ain't going to say that. They're a good team. But they're missing their key players. Ozzy and Acuna and Sorka. And they're doing this to the Astros. Last night they smashed them. And now the Astros are up 5-1. All staged. Has to do with math. Jumanji. And all that shit. The mantra is the main thing they do. You gotta wake up, folks. You've been wearing orange, which is a 33 color, and that's Masonic shit, Luciferian and Jesuit shit. You're voting for devil shit. God save you.